Hey guys, thank you for clicking on my video. Today's tutorial is on big, bold, bouncy, beautiful curls. Yeah. You want to see how I got my hair so big and curly and bouncy and defined? Then stay tuned. Okay, so I just washed my hair and I dry it using a really thin cotton t-shirt. So you can see it's still got a lot of water in it because that cotton t-shirt doesn't strip out all the moisture like a towel would. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a wide tooth comb and just comb out my hair starting at the ends and working my way to the roots. I try not to part it because I don't want there to be a specific part in my head because that will prevent me from flipping my curls either to this side or to this side. So I try and brush it straight back. Okay, so it's good and brushed through. Now I use the lock method, which is leave-in conditioner, oil, and then a curling cream. I did it on my son's hair in the curly hair tutorial if you haven't seen it. So the first thing I'm going to use is conditioner. This is my favorite conditioner. I use it in the shower and outside the shower. I'm just gonna put some in my hand. And it's really watery. I'm gonna start at the top of my hair and work my way down to the middle. And I'm gonna get some more. And put it in the ends of my hair because they're already trying to dry up. Now I'm going to use my oil. So I got this Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage formula. This is the best oil that I've ever smelled. It literally smells like avocado, cucumber, and like some kind of fruit. Like it literally smells like Garnier. And I've never smelled an oil that smells so good. So this can get really messy because it has this little pop top and it just kind of pours all in your hand and makes a mess. So I put it in a little spray bottle. That way it's easier and it's not as messy. So I like to start at the top of my hair and just kind of like massage it into my scalp because my scalp stays dry all the time, especially in the summertime. So then we're gonna put it all throughout the hair, get those ends really good. And an oil really seals in that moisture. Like it makes your curls super shiny. Whenever it dries, you can see that oil glistening in your hair. Okay, so now that the conditioner and the oil is in my hair, I'm just gonna brush it all through. Next, I'm going to section my hair and start putting in my curl cream. And what I use is Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And it's so thick, really thick. So I'm gonna put that at the tops, work it into the middle of my head, get it in there really good. And then I'm gonna section my hair. That way I can start on my bottom curls and really make sure that they are moisturized, because my hair is so thick that I always miss the bottom part of my hair, getting it really moisturized and getting that product in. And then I'm going to use a regular brush and brush those curls together. And now I'm going to use my Pantene Curl Defining Mousse. I used to hate using mousse. I never used to like using it. But I realized this is like This is the key to having really good defined curls. My little thing's broken. It's broken and it's coming out like water. Ooh. I really don't worry too much about the bottom part of my hair because no one's gonna see it. Alright, moving on. Okay, mousse time. Oh, hey, it almost came out like it was supposed to. I'm kind of doing this because I don't want to run my fingers through my hair and split up the curls, but I want to make sure that this mousse is in there good. Okay. Moving to the top of my head. Cream, even though I already put some in, but you can never have too much. Oh. Yes. All right. Mousse. Ew. That was so gross. I need to get a new one. Yes. 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 Okay. Gonna stop now. This is like the white girl side of my head. Like this side straightens so much better than this side. And it curls better too. Look at that. Alright. Doing this side of my head. Alright, some more cream. Like I said, this is the thicker side, meaning the more curlier side, like kinky curly, like nappy curly. So let's do the mousse. Oh, that is so gross. And I'm making a mess everywhere. Alright, let's scrunch it in, girl. That sounds so gross, y'all. That's how you know your hair is moisturized. Got a lot of product in there. I don't know if y'all can see the curl pattern, but them curls is coming. Alright. So all my product is in my hair, and now I'm going to scrunch dry it with the t-shirt. That way it can take out some of that excess moisture that weighs my hair down, because I really want my hair to be light and my curls to be popping. Okay, so this t-shirt is too wet, the one I already used, so I'm gonna get a new one. Another t-shirt, using my little Daytona t-shirt because I don't wear this. And I'm gonna use the side without the graphic on it and get out some of this excess moisture. I don't want my roots sticking together. I like to keep them loose. So I'm gonna flip my hair over and dry it some more. All right. Okay. All right. So now what I like to do is kind of try to let my hair air dry, even though it takes like 10 decades to dry.
Bruh.
So I'm going to try and let it air dry just a little bit, and then I'm going to diffuse it with a diffuser, and I will be back. Your girl's about to be Poppington. Okay, I need to quit. I just like busted a sweat trying to plug in my thingy. Can't even remember the name of it. Blow dryer in my room, because I normally blow dry my hair in the bathroom, but for you guys, your girl done busted a sweat. So I am using just a regular Revlon blow dryer. I don't know what happened to the back of it, but it came with a diffuser, and it came with like another piece to it that I don't use. So you just pop that bad boy on. And this is how you control whether it's like cold, medium, or hot. And then this is, you can put it on high or low. So I like to put it on medium because heat's not that good for your hair, and I don't want to damage it because I already straightened it too much. So putting it on medium because cold is not gonna dry my hair. And we gonna put this bitch on high because we trying to get the job done. I need a break. Mom's about to fall off. My back hurts. Ooh, we almost done. We almost done. So this is like, I'd say like 85% dry. Yeah. I'm done. Freaking finally. I mean, it's still kind of wet a little bit at the roots, but that's as good as it's gonna get, y'all. I'm pretty sure when it dries some more, it'll get a little bit bigger. But yeah, this is my curly hair routine. If you liked it, let me know. Let me know in the comments below. Hey, let me know in the comments below. Let me know in the comments below. Okay, I need to quit. Like, that's just not working. And my camera's like sliding down. Shit. If you liked my curly hair routine, let me know in the comments below, and I will get back to you. Let me know what products you use so I can try them out and do some more curly hair videos. I think my next curl video is going to be on Jasmine Brown. Yeah, she has really pretty, beautiful curls, and that's what she's known for. So I've seen her updated curly hair routine, and I think your girl might try it out. Exact products, exact brush, exact shampoo and conditioner. I'm gonna use it all. So make sure you guys stick around and subscribe to my channel. Like this video. If you like it, let me know so I can do some more. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you. I am new to this. I am learning. I am growing. Isn't that what life's all about? Learning and growing. Okay. Bye, guys. Oh, wait. I forgot to show you guys how much hair came out of the shower. Are you ready? I'm just kidding with you guys. It came out of my brush.